Hello Facebook, hello everybody. It is Jamie here. Hope everybody is having an awesome Tuesday. I'm gonna make this a really quick Facebook Live. Marcus and I are gonna go head up to Sam's Point, get up on the mountain, go for a hike. I actually had put my belt on and then decided that I was going to do a Facebook Live before we left. I didn't realize it was 4 o'clock. So hello everybody, I see that you are joining me. Thank you very much. Hello Brenda. If you are watching me live, in the comments, if you just want to put hashtag live, if you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'd love to see who's watching me. Give me a thumbs up. The more people that respond, the more people that will be able to see this. So I see a lot of new names on today. So thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. I was just saying I'm going to do this quickly. Marcus doesn't even know I'm doing the Facebook Live because we are going to head up to Sam's Point, go for a nice hike. It's beautiful out, the sun is shining, and it's a great day to just get outside and get some fresh air and enjoy. So let's see, Governor Cuomo just announced that all restrictions are removed. I haven't heard any details yet. I'm assuming you don't have to wear masks anywhere. I'm assuming, I know the Restaurant Association just posted that we don't have to be 6 feet apart and no one needs to wear masks. So that is awesome for New York State. That's awesome for us. It's been a long road since last March 2020, but here we are. We're in the heart of the summer, and here we go. June has been a super busy month for us. So we're just entering into the next phase of the summertime. So schools will be ending soon. I know that. Our Airbnb is super busy, and we have been really busy ourselves. We have some calls coming in for our new business, Your Car, Our Driver. So if you're interested in that, reach out. You can check it out on VIPWineryVacations.com. We come to your house, your location, pick you up, whether you're staying at an Airbnb, your house, we'll pick you up. We have a driver. They are all obviously licensed drivers, and they also have been checked, background checks, things like that. We will drive your car and take you wherever you'd like to go, and wineries, breweries, distilleries for lunch, whatever it is, and we'll drop you back off so that you can drink and not have to worry about driving, so you just have a really grand time. And the best part about using us is that Marcus and I and Courtney, we have huge relationships with a lot of wineries and distilleries in the area, and we can set up a VIP winery experience or distillery experience for you. So so reach out to us if you would like us to book that for you. It can be for anniversaries, birthdays, bachelorette parties, bridal showers. You just want a day out with your friends, whatever it is, we will drive for you. So very cool. Roman time is closed tonight. It is Tuesday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, we are closed. We actually have a Chamber of Commerce mixer here tomorrow night. Marcus and I will be live very soon with our Wine Time Live. I have a staff call tonight. Marcus has a call. So busy we are. But we are back open on Thursday. Our deal this week, $9.99 deal, is our fig and bacon pizza topped with arugula. That is to go for $9.99. And I'm gonna quickly make a blueberry margarita. So I am going to start with some blueberries and agave. I am going to muddle those. I'm gonna muddle that, get the juice out of those blueberries. Yum, yum, yum. Muddle it really good. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Lots of names on here. Carla, Joel, hello Cheryl, hello Michael, hello everybody who's joining me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate it. Our staff at Aroma Time appreciates it. So thank you everybody. I know I've been doing these for over 1.5 years now, almost 1.5 years, and people are loving them, and I think I'll just continue them. So they've been great. We've been logging them in so that you can watch them at any time if there's any special drink you want to watch. So thanks again. 2 ounces of tequila. I'm going to use some fresh lime juice today, so I'm going to squeeze some fresh lime juice in there. All right, some fresh lime juice, probably about 1 ounce or so, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. I'm going to use triple sec from Tuttletown Distillery, about an ounce. And I'm gonna mix that on up with some ice. I'm actually gonna shake it real good. I'm gonna pour it into my glass. You can put salt on the rim, sugar on your rim, whatever you'd like. Since I'm going for a hike and I'm not gonna drink this now, I'm gonna taste it, but I'm gonna save it for later. I'm gonna take it off the rocks, not put it on the rocks, get it out of the ice. Ooh, it's stuck around the blueberries. You can see, look at those chunks of blueberry in there. Doesn't that look delicious? And you can see it kind of coming out there. All right, there we have it, my blueberry margarita. So tequila, triple sec, curacao, agave, lime juice, and fresh muddled blueberries. So, delicious. Cheers, everybody. Marcus and I are off to the mountain, heading to Sam's Point for a hike. Roma Time is closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and we will be back open on Thursday. We have jazz Thursday night, 6:30 to 9:30 in our garden, weather permitting. We still have groceries, we still have wine, we still have spirits. That is available at least for the next couple of weeks to go. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching me. I appreciate it and hope you have an awesome, awesome day. We'll be back with Wine Time Live probably about 6 o'clock or so. And that's it. Have a wonderful night, everybody. Get out there and enjoy. Cheers.